Hello everyone, this is Dr. K. Mamata, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Vardhaman College of Engineering. In this lecture, I am discussing about a change of scale property. And the change of scale property is if Laplace transform of the function f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of the function f of a t becomes 1 by a into f of s by a. Here a is a positive number, a is greater than 0. Now examples based on change of scale property. The first example is, here we need to find Laplace transform of e power minus 3t cos h 3t using change of scale property. So we need to find Laplace transform of e power minus 3t cos h 3t. And the change of scale property is if Laplace transform of the function f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of the function f of a t becomes 1 by a into f of s by a. Here a is a positive number, a is greater than 0. Now examples based on change of scale property. The first example is, here we need to find Laplace transform of e power minus 3t cos h 3t using change of scale property. So we need to find Laplace transform of e power minus 3t cos h 3t. To apply change of scale property, first here we need to assume the function f of t as e power minus t into cos h t. So if this is f of t, then the given function will become f of a t, so that we can apply change of scale property according to this. So now L of f of t, now we need to find. So if this is f of t, then Laplace transform of f of t equal to Laplace transform of e power minus t cos h t. Now this is equals to, first I need to find Laplace transform of cos h t, and we need to change s to s plus 1. Here we are applying first shifting theorem, since the function cos h t is multiplied by e power minus t, where t coefficient is minus 1, in the sense we are replacing s by s plus 1. Now this is equals to L of cos h t formula is s by s square minus 1, and in this result we need to change s with s plus 1. Now this is equals to, by replacing s with s plus 1, we get s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square minus. So after simplification we get the result as s plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 1 minus 1, and after cancellation we get s plus 1 by s square plus 2s, and this is Laplace transform of e power minus t into cos h t. But we need to find Laplace transform of e power minus 3t cos h 3t. So now here we need to apply change of scale property. So by change of scale property, so what does this property says? If L of f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of f of a t equal to 1 by a f of s by a. So I am applying this part. So here f of a t is e power minus 3t cos h 3t. Now by change of scale property, I can write the Laplace transform of e power minus 3t cos h3t as, now this is our L of f of 3t actually. So this is L of f of 3t and this is equals to L of e power minus 3t cos h3t, and this is nothing but 1 by 3 into f of s by 3, where what is f of s? So this is f of s. Now in this result we have to change s with s by 3, where f of t is equal to, where f of t equal to e power minus t cos ht, then this function becomes f of at. E power minus 3t cos h3t becomes f of at. So what is Laplace transform of f of at? 1 by a into f of s by a. So Laplace transform of f of 3t becomes 1 by 3 into f of s by 3, where I need to replace s by s by 3 in this result. So which gives 1 by 3 into s by 3 plus 1 by s by 3 whole square plus 2 into s by 3. So simplification of this term gives 1 by 3 into s plus 1 by 3 divided by s square plus 6s by 9. So this is equals to 1 by 3 into s plus 1 by 3 into 9 by s square plus 6s. After cancellation we get the result as s plus 1 by s square plus 6s. Now the next example based on change of scale property is, we need to find Laplace transform of sin at by t, and given that L of sin t by t equal to tan inverse 1 by s. So using this result, by applying change of scale property, we have to find out Laplace transform of sin at by t. So given Laplace transform of sin t by t equal to tan inverse 1 by s. So here what will be the function f of t? F of t equal to sin t by t. Then this result becomes f of s. This part is already given in the question. Now to find Laplace transform of sin at by t, now to find Laplace transform of sin at by t, I'll multiply and divide the function sin at by t with a. So now the result gives as a into L of sin at by at. So here I multiplied and divide this function with a. Now this is of the form f of at, where f of t is nothing but sin t by t. So then this function becomes sin at by at. So this is equals to a into, this result will become 1 by a into f of s by a, by applying change of scale property. So now after cancellation, this a we get f of s by a, where what is f of s? So this is f of s. So what is f of s? F of s is nothing but tan inverse 1 by s. Now here we need f of s by a, means in this result we need to replace s with s by a. So we get tan inverse 1 by s by a, and this is equals to tan inverse a by s. And the next theorem is second shifting theorem. Statement of second shifting theorem is, if L of f of t equal to f of s, then Laplace transform of g of t equal to e power minus as f of s, where g of t is nothing but f of t minus a when t greater than a, and this is equals to 0 when t less than a. Now we'll discuss one example on second shifting theorem. So here we need to find the Laplace transform of the function f of t, where f of t is not given in the question but g of t is given, and g of t is equal to cos t minus 2 pi by 3 if t greater than 2 pi by 3 and 0 if t less than 2 pi by 3. So we need to compare this example with the second shifting theorem. Here in this question, a is nothing but 2 pi by 3. So here we have cos t minus 2 pi by 3 in place of f of t minus a in second shifting theorem. So from this we can write f of t. Let f of t equal to cos t, where f of t minus a is nothing but cos t minus 2 pi by 3. So then Laplace transform of f of t equal to Laplace transform of cos t, and the formula is s by s square plus 1, and this result is equal to f of s. Now by second shifting theorem, we have L of g of t equal to e power minus as into f of s. Here in this question, a is equal to 2 pi by 3, and already we have find f of s here. Therefore L of g of t equal to e power minus 2 pi by 3 s into f of s is s by s square plus 1. Thank you.